Have you ever wondered why that innocent morning cup of joe can turn into a daily ritual that you just can't seem to break? When you consume caffeine, it triggers the release of neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine. These chemicals create that familiar feeling of alertness and focus. But here's the catch. Over time, your brain becomes accustomed to this heightened state of arousal. It starts producing more receptors to accommodate the influx of caffeine molecules. This process is known as tolerance. In simple terms, your brain becomes less responsive to caffeine's effects, prompting you to consume more to achieve the same results. And that's how that one cup of coffee turns into 2, then 3, and so on. If you're tired of the jitters and crashes that come with your daily caffeine fix, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into a topic that's near and dear to many of us: how to quit caffeine without experiencing those dreaded withdrawal symptoms. Let's get started on this journey to a caffeine-free, energetic you. The Gradual Approach. Imagine this: you wake up one morning and decide it's time to embark on your caffeine-free journey. But instead of going cold turkey and risking those unpleasant withdrawal symptoms, you choose the Gradual Reduction Plan. It's like giving your body a thoughtful, step-by-step roadmap to transition smoothly. Here's how it works. If you're currently sipping on, let's say, 4 cups of coffee a day, your first week could involve cutting down to 3 cups. Yes, you read that right, just one less cup. It might not seem like a massive change, but trust me, your body will appreciate the subtlety. As you glide into the second week, bring it down to 2 cups, and then, you guessed it, 1 cup a day in the third week. By the 4th week, you'll be in the land of zero caffeine, all while allowing your body to adapt gracefully. Hydration and herbal alternatives. Hydration is your trusty sidekick on this journey. Not only does it help your body flush out toxins, but it also plays a crucial role in minimizing withdrawal symptoms. Swap that coffee mug for a water bottle and let the hydration magic unfold. Now, on to the star of the show: herbal teas. These aromatic beverages are not only pleasing to the senses, but also offer a range of health benefits. For example, chamomile tea. Known for its calming properties, chamomile tea can help soothe your nerves and promote relaxation. It's like a warm hug in a cup, especially during those moments when you might be missing your caffeine fix. Herbal teas not only tantalize your taste buds, but also offer a delightful variety that can satisfy even the most discerning palate. Plus, they come packed with antioxidants and other health-promoting compounds that your body will thank you for. Balanced nutrition. Why is balanced nutrition essential during this journey? Well, think of it as your secret weapon against those sneaky withdrawal symptoms. You know, the ones that love to tag along when you decide to break up with caffeine. Here's the deal: when you consume a variety of whole foods, you provide your body with a steady stream of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutritional superheroes work together to keep your energy levels stable, minimize mood swings, and help your body heal faster. But here's the best part: balanced nutrition isn't about deprivation, it's about nourishment. It's about showing your body that you care, providing it with the building blocks it needs to thrive without caffeine. Physical activity and sleep. Imagine this: you wake up in the morning, stretch your arms, and embark on a walk, a jog, or maybe even a yoga session. These activities aren't just about burning calories. They hold the key to boosting your mood, enhancing your energy levels, and supporting your body's natural rhythms. Physical activity is like a natural caffeine replacement, without the jitters or crashes. When you engage in regular exercise, your body releases endorphins, those lovely chemicals that make you feel oh so happy and revitalized. Not only that, physical activity increases blood flow to your brain, sharpening your focus and cognitive function. It's like a mental espresso shot, minus the caffeine. Mindfulness and stress management. Mindfulness is your secret weapon against stress and anxiety, 2 companions that often come knocking when you're on the path to a caffeine-free life. By practicing mindfulness techniques like deep breathing, meditation, and journaling, you can navigate this journey with grace and ease. Meditation is another powerful tool in your arsenal. Just a few minutes each day can do wonders for your mental well-being. Find a comfortable spot, close your eyes, and let yourself be fully present in the moment. It's like pressing the reset button for your mind. Remember, mindfulness isn't about eliminating stress entirely. It's about changing your relationship with it. When stress shows up, acknowledge it, but don't let it take the driver's seat. You're in control, and you have the tools to manage it gracefully. Well, there you have it, caffeine warriors. Quitting caffeine without withdrawal is absolutely achievable with the right approach. Remember, gradual reduction, hydration, herbal alternatives, balanced nutrition, physical activity. Sleep, mindfulness, and self-compassion are your allies on this journey. I hope you found these tips helpful and are ready to embark on your caffeine-free adventure. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more empowering content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay strong, stay committed, and I'll catch you in the next video.